Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're doing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. I guess it's unbagging now for the month of August 2020. So, BoxyCharm Premium used to come in like a box, and now it comes in these cute little drawstring bags, which I really like. I think they're gonna be cute for like reusability. I don't know if that's even a word. But it's just a little drawstring, and it says Ipsy there in sparkly silver. I don't know if it's gonna look exactly like this every month or if they're gonna change it out. I think it'd be super fun if they did like different shades of pink or different color writing, or like spice it up like black for Halloween or something of that nature. But it's still $25. You still get it every month, and here is what it looks like. So we will go ahead and pull this stuff out. Also, another cool thing now is you can customize it, so you can actually see your entire bag before, which I'm kind of on the fence about because I have seen my entire bag already. I don't really remember everything I got because it's been a while, but you get 5 full size, sometimes deluxe size products, usually full size. You can now pick 3 of them, and then the 2 are a mystery, but they do show you what the 2 are. So I don't know that I love that, but you know, that's fine. So here is exactly what I just told you. So it says, build your perfect bag. Ipsy picks 2 personalized items that we think you'll love based on your beauty quiz and review. You choose 3 of your 5 full-size faves. And then you can add up to 8 additional products with like the, your points, and then like buying stuff through the Ipsy store. So anyway, moving on. This is something I did not pick. This is the first product in here. This is by Huda Beauty. This is the Demi Matte Cream Lipstick in the shade Shiro. So it is a cute shade. I like the name. For some reason, I immediately just started singing Zero to Hero in my head from Hercules, which is why I paused, because I almost said Zero to Hero instead of Shiro. But I do like the component. I'm not super crazy into Huda Beauty. Her stuff I'm usually like, it's okay about, but ooh, it smells amazing. I've never tried any of her liquid lips before. It smells really good. I don't even know. It smells like coconut. But here's what the color looks like. It's a demi matte, so I don't think it's gonna dry down completely, which is fine. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. I'm so sorry. I'm trying really hard not to. Next thing, I did choose this. I remember this. This is the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Setting Powder. I feel like Ciate London is a super underrated brand, and I usually like everything I try from them. They have one setting powder, the coconut setting powder, I didn't like. It left like weird little white dots on my face, but the other one they have, I do like. I don't remember what it's called, and I don't see it there right now, so, but I do like that one. And this one I decided I wanted to try because it's a pressed powder and I don't have many of those. Ooh, it does smell like watermelon, yay. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh, it's very soft. It's kind of got like a slight hint of like light to it. There it is on my hand. Obviously you're not going to see it, but it does kind of have like a blurring effect. I'm excited about that. Next thing, Lovecraft Beauty Highlighter Palette. I think I picked this. Yes, I did. I remember looking up to see if Lovecraft Beauty was cruelty free, so yes, I did pick this. It's got 2 highlighters in here, Aurora and I don't know what that says. Borealis? I don't know. Someone in the comments tell me how to say English words. Actually, that's probably not even English. Tell me how to say words. But here are what the swatches look like. I have not tried anything from Lovecraft Beauty, so I was like, okay, we'll give them a shot. There are the swatches. They're not like insanely pigmented, but they do look pretty. So there's that. I'm dropping everything. Okay. Moving on. Next product is, I also chose this. This is the Ico Black Magic Mascara Drama and Curl. You guys are probably sick of hearing this by now, but I'm on the hunt for like my favorite mascara. So I chose another one. Again, I should not be opening this. I'm very wasteful when it comes to mascaras, but here is the wand. I do like the way the wand looks. I think I'm gonna like this one. So that's exciting. And is that everything, or is there more? Last thing in here, Illamasqua Actually, I think I chose this too. What did I not choose? I don't know. I remember seeing this. Maybe I didn't choose the Lovecraft. I don't know. Something in here I didn't choose, but this is by Illamasqua. This is the Loaded Lip Polish in the shade Glaze. I feel like I didn't choose this, but I was hesitant. Like I was like, I kind of want that. So maybe this is the product they gave me, but I got lucky, I guess. Doesn't really have a scent. It's just a clear gloss. I like the packaging a lot. Like it's kind of black, smoky looking, and then you can kind of see the clear gloss in there. And then the wand is obviously clear. Yeah, it's literally just a clear gloss. I'm not super into glosses, but here lately I've been liking them more. So I've been excited to like try some new ones. And Illamasqua's products are always really, really nice. So I'm excited about that. I think that's everything. We still aren't getting a card, which is still kind of upsetting, but that's fine. I do like this bag though. I think this would be cute to give like presents in instead of like a traditional gift bag, because then you can actually use it and then people aren't throwing things away. So I think that's a cute idea. Let's do my quick little recap. The lip gloss I'm not like stoked about, but I am excited to try. I do like Illamasqua products and I think this one's fun. Who doesn't need a clear gloss in their life? I don't think I own one that's just a clear gloss, so that's cool. The mascara I'm obviously excited for because I'm on the hunt to find the perfect one. The highlighter palette I'm excited for. I always like trying new brands. I've never tried anything from Lovecraft Beauty, so I think this will be fun to try. I'm gonna sneeze. The Ciate powder I am excited about because again, I do usually like Ciate products and this packaging is pretty. It's very reflective. I literally could use this as a mirror. And there's obviously a mirror in there too, but you could literally just use that as a mirror. But whatever. It smells good and I'm excited about it. And the last thing is the Huda Beauty lip. I think this is probably the thing I'm least excited about just because I don't tend to have the best luck with Huda Beauty products, but we're not gonna knock it till we try it. So we will try that for sure. And actually yeah, no, this is not dry at all. It's very opposite of dry, very still wet. So that's fine, that is what it is. I prefer a liquid lip that does dry down matte. I know that can be uncomfortable to some, but I just prefer to know that it's not gonna move around because I do talk a lot at work and talk a lot when I get home. So that's just a personal preference. If you like the demi matte thing or you like the like not dry down, you probably like that a lot. But anyway, I'm done rambling. This is the end here. So I do again want to say I really do like the idea of these bags because you could throw gem stuff in here. You could throw like a little emergency period kit in here. Gift bags. I'm honestly, my little sister's birthday is in a couple days. I will probably use this as her gift bag because I think it's a good idea. So I like the reusable, green friendly, eco-friendly kind of stuff that they're doing. So anyway, don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. And let me know down below what you guys think. Do you like the new bag? Do you like the new choice aspect of Ipsy? And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.